up in there. You better stick to cars.
It's spacious in here.
I was going to say, are you allowed to do that? And I see that you are.
She done fell in love with something.
No, I got it. Thank you.
That's the first thing my wife and I did when we were looking for my truck. We both got the back. See how big it was.
Yeah. Because I ride in the back, even though it be my vehicle. So I always got to check out the back.
See the same way.
We do the same thing.
Especially if you're traveling far,
Yes.
you need that leg
Yes.
room.
That's big.
And grandkids.
I got a 17, so that's the best thing I ever had.
Really?
It's got the room in the back. It's comfortable. The only thing I didn't like about it is the back seats are too high.
Oh.
This is what you got. They made it break them up a little bit.
And recline back. Yeah.
No.
What is that?
That's another bar.
They store stuff in it.
Taking everything out of it.
Where is this? A 24 or 25?
This one?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah, this is not working. Starting. It says starting.
Oh yeah, mine would be. Got a bigger engine.
You can stay here. You know what? Maybe need to go all the way over there. I am still recording. I thought I had stopped. That fits you nicely. Don't it? I like the dashboard there. Look at that. Safe. Look at that. Moonroof, sunroof. That safe got me. I would want that just for the safe. Am I in your way? No, ma'am. Bar. You got a visitor. You can't get one without somebody getting in with you. Except for
red carpeted area, you can't miss us.
That's true, we're pretty noticeable. Now, we've been doing this all day, and I feel like we should have a third co-host. What do you think?
Absolutely, that sounds like a great idea. Is there anyone around in the audience that would like to help us open the show?
Do you want to?
Yeah?
Come
All
over there.
right, come on over. I love that green Nike jacket you've got there.
I'll get you.
Welcome, thank you so much. Here, let's sit her up so everybody can see you.
Come right to the center.
Let's meet our new co-host. Welcome to the team. What's your name? Prince.
You know what? This is how you know that there's some St. Travis.
so these things is like either you got the people to get in or you got the luggage.
If you are in the 757 or Virginia Beach area and need a luxury car service for a wedding, prom, date night, special events, or a ride to the airport. If you want to turn heads, arrive in luxury at the cruise terminal in Norfolk on your next cruise. Scan the QR code and see what they have to offer.